So we will talk about Toshiba VFD. Fault code is EF2 ground fault. So ground fault occurs when output wiring is connected to earth or motor wiring is connected to earth. Okay. So normally it occurs in rare case. Okay, when motor is accelerated or deaccelerated too quickly, that time also too. Okay. So what you need to do, you need to check the wiring output from the VFD 3 output and till to the motor. That cable is not connected anywhere or on the earth. Okay. Second, what you can do, you can increase acceleration or deacceleration time. Okay, so if you will increase the acceleration or deacceleration time, that also could help you. Okay, ground fault occurs when one or more phase goes to the ground. Okay, so this occurs either in motor or cable connected to motor to drive. So use mega ohm meters to usually check your motor. Okay, a motor use by using Megger. There is a device that's called Megger, so you can check your motor properly. Okay, if your motor is okay, there is no issue with the wiring. Okay, and still this and you have increased the acceleration and deacceleration time also, and still there is an issue. So in that case, there is a fault inside of your VFD, and that fault will be related to the power card. So for that, you directly need to connect your manufacturer to whom you have provided this VFD. They will support you. In that case, this VFD required the repair. If your problem is still not resolved, first you have to take my membership, and then you can write a mail to me with detailed problem with the screenshot of the membership. I will provide you solution, and I will give you one PDF also which will help you to resolve all your issue, and I will support continue.